Hi guys, so in today's video, I'll be sharing with you all a 2021 planner review. So Factor Notes was kind enough to send me their 2021 planner which is newly launched. Also they have some beautiful planners and notebooks on their website and you should definitely go ahead and check them out. There's a sale going on right now and their Insta page is filled with such motivational quotes and beautiful pictures. So make sure you check that out. They sent me this beautiful planner, so I thought of sharing with you all my review and everything about this planner. So make sure you keep watching this video. Now getting started, can we just adore this beautiful cover? It is so cute. As you all know, I'm a dog lover. I have a pet and this just resonates with me perfectly. It comes with this slip-on thing which has a thank you note and all the things that are included in this planner. I'll be mentioning them on the right hand side of the screen. So the planner is a hardbound cover, very good quality planner, trust me. The thing that I really like about this planner is it's hardbound. Mostly planners are a bit flimsy, but this one is not like that. As you open the page, you will just feel a really nice luxury planner that makes it completely worth the money that they charge. As you can see on the right hand side, these are everything that is included in the planner. The first page is obviously your identity page to whosoever this planner belongs to, which is pretty cute and aesthetic. And you have the branding of the Factor Notes. Starting off with this planner, you have your very first goals. Now here they have given a total of 5 goals, but you can obviously customize it on your way. You can write like 2 goals in each. Very pretty, and I think starting off a year with a goal set in your mind is perfect. Then you have your vision board and mind map. So if you are a person of vision board or mind map, any of them you could go for. You have your quotes and days to remember, which I absolutely love. I'm a complete quote addict. Then they have this really cool thing called as improvement plan. So basically if you are in a relationship, for your body, your mind, your work, you can plan and plot an improvement. Then there's a letter to future self. Really like the aesthetic vibes of that blue and red color going on. Perfect, a letter to your future self which you can read any time of the year. Then here you have the I, me and myself pages. Here basically it's all about what you have achieved, what you want to achieve, what are the things that you like about yourself, what you want to change, everything like that. Really like how they have focused so much on yourself, on the self-improvement aspect of a person. So that's something really I like about this planner. Moving on, here you have your meal plan and an ideal day in 2021. So the meal plan is basically like an overview. What would you like to eat more in this entire year? And then you have your ideal day, like how do you want your morning to go in your 2021, meditation and all that thing. Then there's also an ideal week, which I think is very thoughtful of them. They have used so much of efforts in building up this planner. They've taken care of each and everything. Then we have the 2021 yearly calendar and a little section for some quick notes or reminders that you want to add on. Now this is the cover page of January, which is very vibrant, filled with colors, something that is going to get us all pumped up to start this new year with some very productive stuff coming up. Now in this, you not only get a daily planner, but you also get a monthly layout and a weekly layout. I really like how they have boxed out this monthly layout with a small note section. Looks very aesthetic. Then you have a budget plan and shopping list. Now this budget plan and shopping list is for each and every month individually, which is so good. I always had to keep a separate budget book, but now that this planner is there, I wouldn't have to worry about that. Everything will be in one place. Then there's a quick way to start. Here they have added a doodle section for the January month, and then you have your daily plans. And then here on the right side there are weekly layouts like weekly trackers, to-dos, priority tasks and all that. So this planner is like all in one. You not only have a monthly layout but also a weekly and a daily planning. So the same thing goes on for the rest of the month. Now this entire layout is consistent throughout all the months. They have the same thing going on, only small changes like the cover page of the month changes, and like in January you had doodles, same way every month there's something or the other really nice fun task to start off your month with. This is the lovely month of February and its cover page. I think it looks very vibrant. The same layout going on. This is the lovely cover page for the month of March, and for the month of March here they have this very nice word search built up to start off your March. For the April month they have a maze starter, which I think is very fun. I love to solve these maze puzzles. For the month of May, they have this riddle to start off and then the same layout going on. Now to end this month, they have added this very beautiful mandala art to color, which I think is very calming, and usually May is a pretty hot month, so this is something that's going to calm your mind and cool it down. Here comes the month of June, which is my birthday month, and I think it's perfectly done. To start off, you basically have your 6 things that you have achieved in the half of the year, which I think is pretty cool because June is the half of the month. And to end it, they have a very nice puzzle with a 1-letter timer. In the month of July starting, they've added this Love Yourself challenge, which I think is very nice towards the self-love that they really want to spread. The month of August starts with a very nice broad space for you to draw out what your perfect day would be. For me, it would be like at the beach, really relaxed and calming, sipping on a cup of very nice coffee. At the end of the month, they've added this really nice self-care or self-love practice sessions. In the start of September, they have something really nice like what you really want to try this year or what you have already tried this year. In the month of October, they start off with a word search puzzle, and you know I love word search puzzles a lot. In the end of November, they've added this Sudoku puzzle to go out with. In the start of December, they've added the last 30 days of 2021 and how you really want to make a change or what you want to do in these days. Now in the last few pages, they've added space for your reading list, learning list, then there's a movie watch list and a series watch list. There's a list for the places you want to travel and restaurants you want to visit. Then they've added this really nice professional map to build up your professional work. And then there's a space for your wish list. Of course, how can we not have our wish list? Then there's some space for your identity card and health index. And one thing that I really like about this, it's not just for you but also for your partner or your family members. Then there's a complete vacation planning section where you can plan everything about your vacation, where you're going, by what you're going to travel, everything. This kind of shows that they have put so much of effort and thought about each and every one. So this planner is literally curated for every person on this plan it, I can say, because it's very, very well made. To end it off, they have this really nice funny scriptures of jokes and some really nice funny things to laugh off at. Lastly, they have added some few dotted pages, which I think are great for me because I can plan my exam schedules and all. And the most awaited part are these beautiful stickers that are stuck in this pocket at the end of the notebook. They have some amazing, very cute, small, delicate stickers that you can add in your planning sessions that you're going to be doing. Like for meeting, to-do list. Then there are these small cakes for birthday reminders. To focus if you really want to have a self-care day, Netflix and chill. I really like this planner. Everything about this planner is really good. I cannot find one thing that has been missing in this planner because this is literally curated to everybody's needs. You can customize it again as per your say because they've added a really good amount of space for you to do that. In case you happen to buy this planner, make sure you tag me and share your planning sessions about the new 2021 year that we are hoping to be as awesome as we have, suffered in this 2020. So this was my review. I hope you guys liked it and find it helpful. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, follow me on my Instagram and also check out Factor Notes. Thank you so much.